Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the phone off and pulling the SIM tray. This prevents shorting. Once done, heat the rear glass evenly to about 80-90 degrees C so the adhesive softens. This makes separation safer and reduces cracking. Make a small gap with a suction cup at a lower corner and insert a thin plastic pick. Work it slowly around the edge to cut adhesive. Keep the heat steady and avoid metal tools. You want separation, not shattered glass. Once the back is off, remove the T3/T4 screws holding the midframe and lift it gently. This reveals shields and flex cables. Make sure to document screw locations so reassembly matches. Use a plastic spudger to disconnect the battery flex and display connectors. Prying metal connectors risks damage. Peel back any adhesive strips and remove obstructing shields to expose the battery connector. The goal here is controlled access. Take your time and keep parts in order so you don't stress fragile flexes. With the connector disconnected, gently slide thin plastic cards or adhesive remover picks under each battery cell to stretch and break the adhesive. Do not pry sharply or use metal. Once cells lift, remove the battery module and set in an anti-static tray. Replace new adhesive strips, reconnect the battery and display flexes, then test power and charging before resealing. If everything works, apply fresh rear adhesive and press the glass into place. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone won't boot, power off and reseat each connector carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.